Hi. Hi guys, so we are going to meet up with my brother and his family because we're going to Te Vara Nui. Te Vara Nui. Well, looking forward to the performance and especially the food. Hope it's nice food. I see on like videos, some people's videos, the food looks okay. Gotta go now. Gotta go meet up with my brother so we can leave together. See you guys there. So we're going over to my brother's accommodation. He's up in the hill, up those apartments up there, and it's here at Muri Vista, and it's up there. Now the car has to do some climbing up the hill, and luckily this car has a little bit of power. There's specific cabins and villas. This place, oh my gosh, rock and roll. Woo. Yeah, so these are the apartments here. This is the owner of one of the buildings down there. He's got about 3 little buildings. And I'll pull down this window. And that's where my brother and his wife is staying. In this first accommodation here. So, where's the van parked there? See, it's like little, oh, there's the van. You can park here like yesterday. Oh, Charlie, oh my gosh. Oh, she. Yeah. So this there, nice. And you can see the water. Look how beautiful this is. You can just stand here and admire down there, guys. Look. And I'll zoom you up. You know what, Kana? Next time we gotta hire us this place. Or somewhere really, that's really nice. It must be even better up here. From up here. What's he say? Stop being a troublemaker.
Riding you. Sing you too.
Oh yeah. The new, they call it here. Very Faye. Oi. Yeah, all the Faye near the swimming pool. So that's a shared swimming pool, eh? I'm already. Oh, so every apartment has a barbecue. See, this is the kind of apartment we need to lease. I really need to know who built those little cabins there. Right, yeah. So what do you think about here? You gonna rent us a place like this next time?
Nah.
Okay.
I go rent us if I'm gonna tree. Uy. Dogs. Sorry.
There must be the security guards over there. Can you see the dog, guys? Yeah, 2 of them, eh?
Dingoes. Rarotonga. Keep going around the island.
I like that little cabin down there. I want to know who built them. I really would like to know who built them. I would like to know what's inside them too. How is it set out, eh? Well, those 2 buildings, those 2 windows there must be either the wash house and the bathroom. Okay. Okay. Gotta set you off, guys, because someone is trying to cough in my videos.
You should go up there.
I ain't gonna go up in their bedrooms, so stop. Yeah, it's really nice up here. Okay, see you later, guys. Hello.
At the market?
Yeah, we were at the market.
Wishing someone a long and happy life. So if someone says Kia Orana to you and wishes you a long and happy life, then it's customary for you to reply Kia Orana back and wish them a long and happy life back. So that's what we're going to do, folks. I'm going to call out Kia Orana. Then I want all of you to reply as loudly and as enthusiastically as you can. I'm also going to ask my village people who've been on tour with my twin sisters, you know who you are, to help out with this. So is everybody ready? Are you guys ready? All right, over here. Are you ready?
Yes.
How about up here? Are you guys ready? Yes. Are you sure? All right then. Here we go. Kia Orana. Well, those are the ones who said anything. What about you guys? Let's do that again. Here we go. Kia Orana.
Kia ora.
Mai taki, and welcome to these absolutely gorgeous gardens of Te Vara Nui village. Now these gardens and village were built in honour of our matriarch and inspiration, Mama Vara.
Can you guys see my food? We've got a good mixture there. And everyone's at the buffet. Good morning, guys. This is our second day here. Okay, last night we went to Te Vara Nui. It was so much fun and lots to eat. Today we're off to my brother's house just to drop him some Cook Island donuts that his sister made. Oh no, his sister's daughter made. Yeah, June. Yeah, they're lovely too, guys. Fanny knew how to make her lovely, lovely donuts. Yes, and it was really, really fun last night anyway. Did I tell you that? Yeah. So now we're going to drop off the donuts and then we're going to go right around Rarotonga. And that don't take long. Okay, guys. See you later. But anyway, some of you guys might know... What's this place studying? Oh, Super Brown. Super Brown. And it's 50 k's here. You cannot go over that. Otherwise you get a ticket. And there's a dude in front of us and a girl coming this way. Yeah, a lot of Palangis like going for walks, eh? And then the islanders, nah, they go on cars and bikes. Yep. Even the thought of walking for me is like, oh, nah. Yoo-hoo. Okay. Yep. Okay, guys, this is quality fuel, great prices, fill up now. Oh, you know what I forgot to bring, Carlo? My towel. Okay, it doesn't look like I'm going into the water. Oh my gosh. I was too busy enjoying eating the donuts. And forget about the towel. Okay, guys. Oh, that guy's going for a good ride. He's all equipped and everything. And I think these, when you ride the bike, especially wear a mask thing over you, eh? What are you doing? This is Stan Hunt. Have we heard that name before? Beautiful day here in Rarotonga. Beautiful. Look at all those coconuts there. I look like that lady that done this. Oh no, that done this. Oh, no, don't be rude. Stop. Oh, yeah, they're going down there, water down there. See, these people live there. They got a boat. They got a boat there. Yeah, I wanna kind of look up those Pacific cabins. Now we're going to. Oh. Gee, they like walking, eh? Parangi's are good to walk. No, not us. Oh, we are a bit lazy. Nah, especially Kanoa. Especially my husband, lazy. Oh, this is that ice cream place. Remember they said they sold it? Watch out for these people. Convenience store. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, don't forget we're going to go back. See, like these little cabins. And then look, it has a connection on the left side. Did you see it? Go now. Woody Heights taxi, eh? Oh, rock and roll, rock and roll. We should come tonight for the market. Woody Market. Woody Night Market. This is the Woody Night Market, you know, where you come and join everyone for a nice feed. Are we going to come tonight? We should come tonight. Big bikes, big wheels on the bikes. Go round and round, round and round. Oh, look at that mango tree. It's flowering. Hey, when is the mango season going on? When it's ready to eat? Right. Bahai Faith. Oh well, guys, I better let you guys go. Tiana's Beach. Oh yeah, we went past this before. Oh, nice. Nice, beautiful day. So guys, if you want to send me some money, Western Union is right here. Okay then. Nah, those are jokes. Just jokes. Okay. Oh, beautiful day today. Beautiful. Slow down. Slow down. Billy's Burger, guys. Billy's Burger got another location. Bigger and better. So if you guys have eaten a Billy's Burger, yeah, you go down a bit further on from where it used to be and have a nice, beautiful feed. Look at those two coconut trees up there. Skinny. Skinny. Okay. Toria. Pink house. There's a coconut on the road on the way. So if you're thirsty, guys, yeah, the ready-made drinks. You just get it, husk it, yeah, put a straw, wipe your auntie. 7 Days Adventist Church. Does the church your sister come to? Oh. Pit stop. Yeah, where are pit stops? I haven't heard from them for a while. Edo's beach house. That's our niece's house over there. And they said next door, it's a donut, isn't it? You can go, Ghana. Oh, well, they're gone anyway. Oh, they probably got lunch, gonna go sit down. That's what I wanted. Get us some lunch and go and sit down over there and they're by the beach. Hey, Elvis. Huh? You're bar. I'm not bar. Look at that beautiful beach.
Low tide, low tide.
Low tide.
Low tide, you can see the currents. Oh, those boys yesterday, they did a good job. They couldn't see them. They did a good job. And it's white too.
Yeah, it's gone wide. Good.
Oh, two cars in all it takes to get like this.
Well, they'll have to continue on repairing here. Oh wait.
Yeah, I think it went to me.
Yeah. Big hole there. Doing a lot of repair works on the road. It's good too because you know a lot of tourism is coming here and it needs to be fixed up, done up, beautify it. Gonna leave this house no longer, gonna leave this house no more. Ain't I got time to fix the ceiling, ain't I got time to fix the floor. We're here at Workmore, guys. Yeah, it's Workmore. We're gonna come and see if there's fish and chips. Hopefully there is. That means oh, that's what they bought from here.
No, from here. But I'm just saying that.
Okay, I'll see what they got. Look at that, nice. Even got mashed potato. Big gallo here.
Fresh. See, when you and I, we just don't buy one. Kaka.
Wouldn't mind a yogurt. Strawberry yogurt. Oh, Ganoa. Remember we wanted some of these? We should still get it. Get the good ones. Yeah, that's good. That's alright. See, we got some holes, but we can wash it. Get the big one there. The ones with less holes.
Which one? This one?
No, I'm putting it right there.
This one?
Yeah, that one. That one. No, underneath it's got it. Just needs a really, really good wash.
Which one?
Yeah, we're getting two.
Two?
And some tomatoes. Yeah. Do they have tomatoes? Oh, must be on this side. Anywhere. Oh, they're green. They are green. Oh. Okay.
You want a pop too or cabbage?
Nah, bok choy is better. It's nice with it goes nice with
Are you sure
corned
you
beef.
need two? You only got
Aren't we cooking it to take?
Yeah, I know, but what can?
Both cans.
Oh, okay.
You might as well get a foil plate from here.
Okay.
Smells like tomato. Not like the artificial.
Fresh of the wine.
Was that what they told you? Sometimes my husband will say something like he was actually there. I witnessed it and everything. Yeah.
If you don't mind. Big one, this is a big one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're
I
right.
think they charge in one. What do they weigh it?
I don't know.
Oh, see, $1 each.
No, that's been uppy.
That one.
Yeah,
How this a peanut?
I don't know. Yeah, we get that. What about, do we have an oven at home where we are?
I didn't see it on your burner.
Oh, otherwise we would have taken this to roast. Yeah, okay, we'll get a foil thing. Oka, wakele. Yeah, we only need two. I'll get the foil wrap. Yeah. This. Yeah. puddings. Fresh too. Yeah, we go behind there. Wait, I'm like a bunny. Yeah. That's a, yeah. This is for. Yeah, look at this. Yeah.
You want a plastic bag?
Yes, please. Yeah, cool, my heat's fine. Oh, we're just gonna cook and put it in there. Thank you. $1 each. That's cheap. Who wants the onion?
How much was that? Two?
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah, see you later. That's Tangaroa's sister's daughter, June. So that's what we're buying these stuff for, so we can cook and take for 4 p.m. get together. Look, there's a motorbike coming and a car and another motorbike. See what they got here? Fresh milk, yogurt, fresh wahoo. What's this? Ah, yeah. Craft now. Huh?
Flatty.
Oh well, you should get it. Thing, $1 a cabbage. Probably because all probably because all the worms ate most of the leaves. Oh, you know what we didn't get us? A drink. Didn't get us a drink.
Oh, we get it somewhere.
I wanted the ice cream, but you know, remember it was here we bought our last ice cream and it just melted like nothing,
Because it's hot, it's starting to get all weird.
Yeah.
I think it's hot on this side of the island.